Are you looking for a tips and tricks for overseas traveling abroad checklist guide video? If so, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you 10 tips and tricks coming up. Hello, I'm Christopher C. Odom, an award-winning independent filmmaker, and this is Big Trip to Japan. Every week I bring you a new video about planning a trip to Japan and Japan travel destinations reviews. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Overseas traveling abroad can be fun as it presents the awesome opportunity to be something greater by learning about another culture. However, without proper planning and preparation, fun can turn to folly fast when it could have easily been avoided. Here are 10 tips for overseas traveling abroad that I picked up to help make your trip total awesome sauce. Number 1, plan your trip. Create a tentative itinerary. Use blogs, vlogs, and travel guidebooks to help you create your plan. Research events in advance that will happen while you are there. Get tickets online before traveling for things that you'll know you'll want to do. It also helps you skip lines and save money. Download any app you'll need before you travel. Also research national dishes. You don't want to leave without having tried what the country is known for. Number 2, see the doctor. Make a doctor's appointment. Double check with the customs website for the country of your destination which medicines are legal there. Most prescription medications are legal, but some require a doctor's letter and others may be illegal outright. Tylenol in bulk or anything with an ingredient that can be used to make a street drug may be legal in small quantities but is illegal or suspicious in large quantities. Number 3, pack your meds. Always pack your prescription medicine in your carry-on or personal items. Anything can happen. Don't be without your meds, especially, like me, if you have diabetes. Number 4, bring chargers and adapters. Japan uses 110 volts AC power, which lets you plug in all of your devices from America as long as the AC plug has 2 prongs, the same size. If it does not, you can bring an adapter that removes the third grounded prong and as well changes the bigger prong to a standard prong size. Number 5, dress comfortably. I'm rounder than I used to be, so I like to wear jogger shorts and pants, which are shorts and pants that look normal but have an elastic waistband and drawstring instead of a belt. They are lighter and require less adjusting when I sit down and get up. Get a great pair of walking shoes as you will be walking. Nike Air Anything feels great on my feet. Number 6, prepare for a long flight. Consider bringing a pillow, neck pillow, and blanket on the plane for comfort. Also consider bringing a memory foam seat cushion. Many of the U.S. airlines have been cutting costs and our seats on our last Delta flight were much smaller than our JR Rail Bullet Train or Rapid Line seats in Tokyo. Number 7, use local currency. You can exchange your money right in the airport pretty much everywhere. I even exchanged my yen back into US dollars right across from my departing gate on my flight back home from Japan. The exchange rate at the airport is slightly higher, but is obviously more convenient. If you are in some more of the slightly less traffic areas of the city, such as near any train station, you could save a little bit more on the exchange rate and fee. And when you can't use local currency, use an international transaction-free or low-fee debit or credit card. Check with your bank or credit union to learn their fees first. If they aren't good, search for another one before you begin your trip. Number 8, use public transportation. Larger cities have subways and buses, and many countries have high-speed rail to bring you throughout the country or to other countries, such as the case in Europe. If you are traveling in Japan all over the country, get a discounted foreigner JR Rail Pass, which will allow you to use the JR Rail Company trains in Tokyo and the JR Rail Shinkansen high-speed rail bullet trains throughout all of Japan. Number 9, consider pocket Wi-Fi. Although we have a world-banned iPhone for cell phone coverage and internet in Japan, We elected to rent a pocket Wi-Fi device online to use in Japan, and it was awesome. We got an unlimited minutes broadband premium package for about $200 US for the whole month. You can do that before you get to your destination online, and with some services, you can even have it delivered to wherever you were staying or even an airport post office. You can communicate with people in your host country or all over the world for free with apps like Line, and cell phone carriers such as AT&T will let you place Wi-Fi calls internationally to any U.S. domestic number so that you can communicate with friends and family at home. Number 10. Visit a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A World Heritage Site is a landmark or area selected by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, as having cultural, historical, scientific, or other form of significance which is protected by international treaties. They represent the collective interest of humanity. You won't want to leave the country you're visiting without seeing some of the most significant sites in world history. Thanks for watching this video, and to learn more about overseas traveling abroad, check out my How to Survive Your Long Flight to Tokyo, Japan kit, above or in the links in the show notes in the description below. Subscribe here for more videos like this. Watch another video about overseas traveling abroad here or in the link in the description below. Watch another video from Big Trip to Japan here. Now is the time to be something greater. I'll see you in the next video.